All right, this time, for this video, we're looking at the Marvel Legends retro packaging Moon Knight. As you can see, they made it look like the old 90s Toy Biz packaging with the Marvel heroes. But you can see here the Moon Knight, and then that there, and the little Hasbro logo there, and the Fist of Khonshu. But there's the front. Let's take a look at the back. I have that there, and we kind of look at that. And it says, a vision in an Egyptian temple leads Mark Spector to don a shroud and become the crime-fighting hero Moon Knight. So, let's take a look at it. Oh, I guess I'll do it this way. Ooh. There we go. I didn't know whether that cape had plastic on the back of it or it was just flowing in there freely. So, check this out. All of this can come out. Things here. So as you can see here, there's 3 of these really tiny little half-moon crescent boomerangs, I guess is what they're supposed to be. And then he has 2 big ones here. Here's the other 2 small ones. And we have his staff. You can see it. Both of his grip hands. And then we have the dark head. Ooh. Let's move all this stuff out of the way, and we'll see Moon Knight. So, here is Mark Spector in all his glory. So, we have head range with the cape. It's like that, and that's good. Let's see. We have the arms with the butterfly is pretty good, and that's good. That's good. Let's see. T-pose. That's as far as it's going to go. And that is the elbow joint all the way. And that one's all the way. And full rotation of the wrist. Maybe that's where those go. And we have back and forth, and the ab crunch. Let's see. And there's the rotation there. Let's see the Van Damme split. That's as far as it goes. And that 1 foot is really weird. And so legs out, and there, and there, like that is good. And calf is all right. Yep. That foot again. And let's see. Calf rotation. Calf. Thigh that was thigh rotation. This is calf rotation. And it's good. And we go ankle and ankle. That's pretty good. All right. And it looks by the little holes in there that maybe that's where those go. So you can put it in there like that. Maybe? I don't know. They're in there. Seems like they'd be a logical place for them to go. Well, it's supposed to sit in there like that, I guess. So that's that with that one. So take those two out, and then I could take that hand off and put this hand on. And you can see what it looks like with that hand and that hand. And we can put like the big one on there like this. Well, I guess he doesn't fit. Yeah. Well, we can take the staff. And then we can put the other hand in like that. And I'm supposing this one can hold. Like that. Ooh, that is nice. And then I can take this head off and put this one on. Let's see. All right, I'm guessing that head's on. So there's what he looks like with that head. So all in all, I think this is a pretty nice figure. I'd say it's definitely a 9. I don't know. About a 10, though. I go so far as maybe put it at a... Is that the bigger? Yeah, I guess it is. Oh, it's just in more. Huh. I'd go definitely to say it's a 9. Not a 9.5, though, but it's a solid figure. I like it, and it's like not that many Moon Knight figures out there, or very little at all. So, let's see, get that all in the frame there. Take that back. Put that there. Those there. Those there. There we go. So, all in all, it's a pretty good 9. I don't know. What's your experiences with it? You let me know in the comments, and to ring that notification bell if you subscribe, and to hit a like if you like the video. But I guess that's it for this one. I'll be back with more later. See ya.